How to remove payment method in Best Buy. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for bestbuy.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Best Buy. Make sure you are logged in, and if not, then go ahead and log yourself in. Now, tap on your name drop-down on the top dashboard. You will then see the option for payment method. Tap on that. In the interface that you will be led to, if you have previously added payment methods, then you will be able to see it here. I currently have not added any payment method, so mine is empty at the moment. Now, tap on the Add a Payment Method option and you will be able to see your previously added payment option. Simply erase the details and tap on the Save button to remove the payment method. Or you can also tap on the Remove Payment Method option, and in the pop-up that appears, tap on Remove again, and with this the payment will be removed. So this is how you can remove payment method in Best Buy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.